Hi there, this is Navneet and welcome to my channel Navneet Technical. In the last video, we saw what are JSX attributes and in specifically we saw about attribute class name. And coming to this video, we are going to see how to perform inline styling in React. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, open VS Code in the first React app which we have created a few videos back. So I already opened my VS Code and the first thing I have to do is just press Ctrl J or Ctrl tilde which is under escape key and type in npm start and click enter to start your React server. So my React server is already up and running. Now let me show my React server to you. Now let me close this sidebar. Okay, now you can see over here we have a React app that is a React with React in H1 and a background color as green. Okay, now let me maximize this. Now in this video we are going to see about inline styling, right? See here in the previous video what we done is we have written our styles in a file index.css and imported. See here in the second line we have written import index.css. So we have written our styles in another file that is named index.css and imported it to index.js and we have used it, right? So this type of styling, that is declaring and writing our styles in an other file, is called external styling. So in this video we are going to see inline styling. So where inline styling is used? So inline style is used to style a specific element like a h1 element or a paragraph element, so like that. So how to do that in React we are going to see now. So first let me clear this index.css. See, as we are going to use inline style, no need of importing any kind of files, css files. So I this const number I also don't need that. Now let me also clear this h1 element and now let me declare another h1 element. Okay, and I will write react in it, react. Okay, now just press Ctrl S, save, and once we'll see what is going on in our browser. So just once refresh your browser, see, now we have a plain h1 with React, right? Now we will style this using inline styling. Okay, now how to do that? See, in order to perform inline style, JSX gives an attribute called style, that is style style equal to, and write curly braces. See, why we are writing curly braces means this style attribute accepts an JavaScript object. So we know that in order to use JavaScript in JSX we use curly braces, right? So that's why we are using curly braces. So it accepts a JavaScript object which contains CSS properties as key value pairs. Okay, we will see in a minute. So it accepts a JavaScript object, right? So let us say that our object name is style object. Now we will declare this style object. So just come outside the element and const style object equal to, see, this is how we write an object, right? Now this object is a collection of CSS properties, that is in the form of key value pairs. So we have key and value, and if you want to give another pair, just enter comma and another one as key 2 and it has its value in the string. See, like this our style attribute accepts an object which is a collection of CSS properties as key value pairs. And one thing we have to remember is this key should be camel case, that is it uses a camel case naming convention, and the value should be a string, that is we should write it in a quotes, it may be a single or double. Now let's see actually how to style it. Now let us say we want to make the color of the React as red. So what we have, the first step we have to do is we have to take a style attribute and we have to pass an object, right? So we took the style attribute and we passed an object named style object, and the leftover thing is we have to declare the CSS properties as key value pairs, right? Now what we have to do, we want to change the color, right? So the key will be color, right? We use color in order to change the color of anything, right, in CSS. So just write color and I want to give it as red, so I return red in string. Now just press Ctrl S, save. Once refresh your browser, see the color is change it to red. Now say I want to change the background also. So what I'll do is just enter comma over there and click enter. Now write background. See, you should be careful over here. Keys should be camel case, right? So I should write here capital C and background COL color. I just want to give it as green. So like this. Now just press Ctrl S, save, and once refresh your browser, see we got a background color as green. Right. So this is one type of inline style. Now say you don't want to declare an object outside of element. Okay. Now there is another way also, that is we can directly give this object. Let me select this and just Control X, and I will comment this out. And by the shortcut for commenting is Control and forward slash. And instead of passing, that is instead of creating an object and passing the name of it, we can directly pass our object over here. See, like this. Now just press Ctrl S, save, and once refresh your browser, see we are getting the same output, right? So we can also pass directly object to our style attribute if you don't want to declare an object outside an element and pass that object name. So like this we can extend our styles, right? Say you want to write a font weight, right? So font, see our VS code is suggesting us see all the features. See now you can see a font family which is a camel case, right? See capital F here, and font size, font width, font style, see all are camel cased. Okay, now I just want to increase the font size. Say I just want to give 50 pixel. I will write 50 pixel in the string and just press Ctrl S, save. Once refresh your browser, see our font size has been increased. See, the one thing you should remember is in React we pass an object, that is a JavaScript object. Those are key value pairs separated by comma, and the keys should be camel cased, that is they use camel case naming convention, and the value should be written inside the strings. That's it guys. Like this we perform inline styling in React. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe for further updates. Thanks for watching.